It's a very simple question. Not at all difficult question. Very simple question. X, Y, Z are real numbers such that this is given. Okay. First thing is that I can see one thing, x plus y plus z is given, x, y, y, z, z, x is given. So why not we can say x, y, z are roots of, x, y, z are roots of t cube minus x plus y plus z into t plus xy plus yz plus zx into t minus xyz equal to 0. Yes. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of any cubic equation, so that cubic equation can be expressed this way. Always remember, if I say alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha n are the roots of n degree equation, so that n degree will be written as a x power n minus sum of alpha 1 into x power n minus 1 plus sum of 2 taking at a time into x power n minus 2 minus and so on equal to 0. This is the logic for applying the, if you are not knowing, please refer the Hall and Night, the equations based chapter, you will understand. It's a very simple thing. And it's a help a lot. See how it's getting done. Now, this value already I know 0 and this value I know minus 3. So I'll say t cube, this is 0 and this is the minus 3. So minus 3t and xyz, let it be xyz, minus xyz equal to 0. This is the equation. Up, think very, very carefully this point. Actually, this equation roots what we assume, xyz. So xyz will satisfy this equation. So let's put it. I am putting t equal to x. So what will become? X cube minus 3x minus xyz, because there is no t here, equal to 0. This is having the roots y also. So y also will satisfy, y cube minus 3y minus xyz equal to 0. This is root, z is also root, so we'll say z cube minus 3z minus xyz equal to 0. Now imagine, I want what? X cube into y. Oh, so now I can do some manipulation. I will multiply first equation with the y. So what will get? X cube y minus 3xy minus xy square z equal to 0. Let's call it equation 1. Here I will multiply z. So what will get? Y cube z minus 3yz minus xyz square equal to 0. Second equation. Here I will multiply x. So what will get? Z cube into x minus 3zx minus xyz equal to 0. Third equation. Because I want this summation, so I will add these three. If you add these three, what will get? X cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus this column added 3 into xy plus yz plus zx minus, if you add these three columns, x, y, z I can take common, x, y, z common, you will get what? X plus y plus z. Question finished. So, x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus 3 into this value already minus 3 minus x, y, z into 0 equal to 0. So, this has become 0 and this send other side. So, you will get x cube plus y cube x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x equal to minus 9. But they ask what? They ask power 2. So, x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x power 2 will be 81. Finish. This answer. Very simple question. Very simple. But this idea should come. And that idea will come only when you did the n degree kind of the equations. Alright, so see in the next question discussion. Thank you.